to Teja Statistics. In this class, we are going to see all previous year's question papers. Some of the topic names are changed, but the complete syllabus is changed. So here we have to see some questions of the previous years, which we are having in our syllabus according to our latest syllabus only. Okay. Sampling theory, time series, index numbers and demand analysis. We don't have this paper. In this we have some topics, that is time series. Okay, so define the time series analysis concepts only we are going to discuss. Okay. Explain about random fluctuations in time series data. This is one of the shortest question in time series. Distinguish between the complementary and competitive commodities. So this also belongs to that. So and we have sampling unit and sampling frame also in our syllabus, the latest syllabus. Next, explain the multiplicative and mixed model of the time series data. This is also be the previous year question paper question also. Yeah, the 9a, distinguish between the sampling and non-sampling errors. Give sources of non-sampling errors, one of the important question. Next, define SRSWR and SRSWR. Simple random sampling and with replacement and without replacement. Show that in a SRSWR the probability of selecting a specified unit of the population at any given draw is equals to the probability of selecting it at the first draw. This is also be the very important theorem. Next, coming to the time series, what are the seasonal variations? Explain ratio to trend method of calculating seasonal variations. Also give its merits and demerits. Define cost function. With a cost function, this C is equals to A plus summation. Okay. Prove that the variance of the standard variance of the estimated mean y bar of st is minimum when n is proportional to n into s divided by under root of c. Here you can use h or you can use I also. Okay, so these are all belongs to the another questions which are existed in previous. Next, 2013 important. In this also we have some topics, that is time series. Not we have the index numbers and demand analysis. Let's see some important questions that they are defined stratified random sampling and explain about the growth curves. Is also important question they are giving all the time. Define stratified random sampling and explain about growth curves. Okay. Next, explain additive model of a time series. This is also be the very important. Next, what are sampling and non-sampling errors? Write about sources of the same. Next, in a SRSWR, show that the sample mean square is an unbiased estimator of the population mean square. Yeah. Similarly, Define systematic sampling procedure and prove that this formula. Next, explain link relative procedure for determination of the seasonal indices. Very important question. In time series also we have some more calculations. Next, let's see one more paper, that is in 2020. So that time series questions only we have to see. What is a time series? Name its components. This is the first question. And define sample. What are the limitations? What are mixed sampling methods? Define systematic sampling procedure. Okay, and write about mixed models of time series. Eighth question. This also will be very important. Next, 9A and the 10th. So give advantages of sampling over census. Next, in SRS WR, show that the sample mean is an unbiased estimator of the population and derive its variance. Explain stratified random sampling and procedure. Prove that variance of I bar of ST is minimum for fixed total sample size n. Ni is directly proportional to NISI. Very important. Explain about modified exponential curve and its fitting by partial sums method. Very important question. Next, these are all out of syllabus. Next, coming to that calculation part. So up to this we have the some 5 important questions. Okay, yes, thank you.